3 divided by 3 equals 1, right? Minus 4 times 2. Now 2 plus 1 equals 3 minus 4 times 2. Now 3 minus 4 equals minus 1 times 2, and minus 1 times 2 equals minus 2. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, right? Addition and subtraction must be done after multiplication and division. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division must be done left to right. So division first, right? 2 plus 3 divided by 3 equals 1 minus 4 times 2. Now multiply first. 2 plus 1 minus 4 times 2 equals 8. And now addition and subtraction from left to right. 2 plus 1 equals 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5.